Vitor Petrino will be fighting Tyson Pedro. Tyson Pedro is a judo specialist and black belt in Japanese jiu-jitsu. He's 10-4, very good on the ground. Recently, he knocked out Anton Turkalj, which was a massive upset to me. But Modestas Bukauskas outworked him. Tyson Pedro didn't have good cardio in that fight. He also destroyed Iki Villanueva, Harry Hansaker. He knows to strike. Petrino knocked out Bukauskas via check hook. Petrino is a knockout artist, a great shoot boxer with excellent BJJ. But as long as the fight remains standing, Vitor Petrino is going to win this one. I've got no dilemma. He is way better striker than Tyson Pedro. The problem might happen if the fight gets dragged to the ground. Tyson Pedro will not underestimate Vitor Petrino like he used to underestimate Modestas Bukauskas, but Pedro is better on the ground, so anything could happen. I'm gonna say fight not going the distance. I think Petrino will continue, to extend his winning streak, and I believe he will extend his winning streak, so side call is going to be Vitor Petrino to win.